Welcome to our daily quick at-home workout. Longevity and health are not determined by our genes, but by our lifestyle, and choosing to work out for 10 minutes each morning is a brilliant way to increase your longevity, happiness, health. We're just starting with a little hamstring curl, bicep curl, full body, low impact, cardio and strength today. Short, sweet, simple, but effective. Let's go. Find a flow that works for you. Modify every movement when needed. Do what's best for you. The best workout, the best exercise is the one that you'll do. Find the thing you love and do it. This is just a little starter so you can find more movement throughout your day. This would be great. We could have our bags filled with things to use if we want a little bit more resistance. But simple body weight stuff is absolutely brilliant. Getting the body nice and warm. Shake that out. Just a little lateral twist. If you don't have a lot of space and you just want to stand and twist, by all means, really lighten the feet. A little like a dancer. Bound in your step, no noise. As gentle as possible. Bring all your awareness, all your intention into each maneuver, each movement. Get the absolute most out of everything. And it's amazing what simply 10 minutes can do for us. Okay. Side step, punch. Cross body. Building strength in the legs. Keep that arm up nice and high. Building strength in the upper body too. We'll go one side and then we'll move to the other. See what it feels like when you bring all your awareness, like tapping your toe. Feeling your arm extend. And the mind will wander. When's this workout going to be over? When's this exercise going to be over? Nope. Total presence here and now. Other side. Can feel very different from one side to the other. Possibly a little more challenging throwing a punch with the non-dominant hand. Embrace it. Be a little discomfort. We welcome discomfort. We want to challenge ourselves. Couple more. Shake that out. See if we can't bring all that attention and presence into a simple kick. Come across the body a little bit. I mean, that might look like this for you. That's fine. You slow it down. You're starting to build some balance as well. Aim to maybe get that kick just a little higher each time. We don't compare ourselves to anyone else. Can I be just a little bit better than I was yesterday? And build on that day in and day out. One more. Other side. Shake it for a bit. Yeah. Feels very different going this way. Does for me. Just notice how you feel. Get it up there, yeah. Don't forget to smile. Have some fun. Get an extra twist in the body here. Coming back, that's kind of nice. Add on anything that feels good. One more. Brilliant. Just want to shake that out. Hips might feel a little stiff. Shake that out. Widen your stance a bit. Little squat pulse. About 30 seconds or so. Go as deep as you like. I'm not doing a full squat. I want to quicker, as we're working on a little bit of cardio today also. I'm gonna pick up the pace. Oh yeah, get that body nice and warm. Shake it out. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, now we're into it today. Let's go for a nice jog. We're gonna keep the heart rate up. Now, for the remainder of this workout, we're just jogging. And then use your arms. So keep the lower body moving. It's best for you. Come up on your tippy toes, real gentle, light jog. But arms out, arms up. Build some strength in the upper body while we continue with a little bit of light movement. Just keep going forward if I like. Just push the arms out. They can come up, they can go out. Just find something. We got that upper body moving also. Start to feel it in the shoulders. Oh yeah, me too. Up. Okay, slow it down. Shake. Endorphins engaged, feel good chemicals. We can always boost our mood, elevate our energy, even in just 10 minutes. Let's do a little reach, get down as low as we can, and twist. Bend your knees as much as you need, and then twist the other way. Bend the knees when you're coming down. Nice and slow, nice gentle twist to the side. Bring real presence, awareness into this. Do what you can. If it looks like this, happy days. And that we accept this is where I'm at. And by continuing to show up, stay consistent, build discipline, I'll eventually get a little bit deeper, day in, day out. Okay, one more exercise. If you can move laterally, you're gonna try to get the foot way up. So this light side step, again, thinking like a dancer, really light on your feet. And it could be like this, just creating some different range of motion in the hips, continuing to build mobility. As quick as you like from side to side. I think for the last 20 seconds or so, I'm gonna ramp it up a bit. Just starting to feel really good. Really happy. Last one, and I don't know. It just feels good to move. Thank you so much. Let's just be here. Just notice, one breath makes all the difference. Each breath, bring all your attention into each breath. And use it later in your day. When somebody pressures you, triggers you, upsets you, something happens. I choose to respond rather than react. I take a breath, steady, calm myself. Life isn't happening to us, it's happening for us. Every situation is an opportunity to learn and grow. The universe throws situations at us for our evolution. Take this one breath and use it. Your most conscious breath of the day right now. Breathe in. Hold it for a moment. Hold it and exhale. Well done. Brilliant. Thank you for continuing to show up. I will see you tomorrow. God love you.